That is okay for now. Just trying to see. That's right, because the dots are going top, right? At least the cam. Yeah, I think that's the right way, I believe. You also need that little, this guy right here. Yeah. This fucking thing. Plug in. It's gonna be the hardest. It's gonna be down there somewhere. Marks, bolts removed on the VITO'S actuator. Now I'm removing spark plugs and they're loose. Look, can probably take it off by hand. See, did you see that? They're just loose in there. So whoever did the spark plugs, they just kind of like hand tightened them. That's it. Gonna leave them in for now. Just gonna loosen them. All right, now I'm gonna see. I'm gonna have to take this off soon. I loosened these bolts, marked everything, chain, sprockets, and all that. So camshaft is locked. Everything else is disconnected. Exhaust manifold is disconnected. So I'll try to take off this VITO'S assembly, and then we'll see what's next. The VITO'S is out now. I'm gonna pull these bolts, these nuts, and remove this mechanism. Okay, so the intake stuff is all removed here, sprockets, and this thing is loose now. And just wondering what that thing is from. We need to remove this tensioner now, remove this valve guides, not the valve guides, I'm sorry, the timing chain guides. And then take this chain off, start loosening the head. Actually, we gotta remove this guy first too, the camshaft sensor.
That's when I started just working on my shit. Like I brought my car to the shop once or twice just to get it diagnosed.
Yeah.
Because I don't know lift. Like I didn't know where my oil leak was coming from. Somebody makes a living off one thing, it's gonna piss off other people.
Right, all the head bolts are out, removed. Okay.
Miners.
To see if we can lift this thing. Make sure everything is disconnected.
I got a portable charger. I think I still have.
Trying to fucking position this.
Alright, can I be in the video?
Yeah, wanna be in the video? Sure. You wanna film it while we take this head off?
Sure.
It's a little dirty though, because I use my gloves all the time.
That's
but
fine.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, man. Let's try to do this thing.
Do it.
Let's try to see. We gotta wiggle it somehow first. There we go. And then probably out this way to the head bolts, or the exhaust bolts. Gotta kind of lift it. This exhaust manifold. Oh man, it's a nightmare, man. Try to lower it back down. Dude, this sucks, kinda. Oh yeah, we gotta wiggle it first. On. So those head bolts, or the head, the exhaust manifold, yeah. It's like making everything worse. Oh no. See, the problem is that.
There he is, right there. Check the gate.
Ride is gonna be fine. That's all you.
That's all of them?
Alright, so you come over here.
I do?
No, you stay there.
Okay.
You gotta look that way, huh?
Kinda go this way.
Any other bolts over here or no? That's all of them?
Actually, no, you know what? Ah, this sucks. Let me try to see, this manifold is just not doing any good. We might have to loosen it from the underneath or something, I don't know. That's no good. I think, hold on. This exhaust manifold out of the way. Just watch that for me, the timing chain thing. Guide.
Hold it on the guide itself, right? There you go.
God, it's pissing me off. Come to this side and hold this side for me up, please. Just kind of hold it up. Get more hands in there. Is it? Okay, let me see. Let me try to do it myself.
All right.
Let me try it.
Come on, Vito, you got this.
Just trying to be fucking careful with that guy.
Yes.
There it is.
Watch out!
You got it?
Yeah.
You hit the top part?
Yeah. Alright guys, so we just took off the cylinder head off of this thing. So far, you can see a lot of rust in the coolant ports. And it's gonna need to do cleanup on it and stuff. Chain is still alright, doing good.
I just missed a phone call from you like 10 minutes ago. Oh, okay.
These are the gaskets, actually. Alright. I'm gonna flip it. Just not right now. Just gonna wait a little bit.
Pizza?
You know?
Uh,
Doesn't matter, you can talk.
Is there a coolant drain plug somewhere in here besides the radiator?
It should be on the block, but I think the block is, we'll see, we'll try to, there's got to be a coolant drain plug on the block itself. It's probably that side somewhere.
Spray some of those ports out.
Yeah, we'll clean that up, yeah. See how they like squished this thing?
Yeah, trying to get it off.
It's like crazy. You see somebody
Like,
try to install it
yeah.
and damage this thing?
Or it's because when they took it off.
I don't think so. I don't
and then
know.
They put it back on.
Maybe
the-
Replace the water pump.
Should be. Where's the gloves at?
Right there, under the towels.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a newer one, but you can keep it just in case. You know, we'll still put a new one on for you.
Yeah.
But
And
this
just put
one,
these on
return
just
it.
in
yeah,
case
go
it
ahead.
is.
Yeah, because it's dirty, you know.
Or clean this one up and return it.
Yeah.
Nah,
It's kind of a
just
pain to
tell
return
them
it though, you know. Not a pain, but it's just, you know, it's not the same as like the parts store and
Yeah,
stuff.
parts
you know?
store, you just kind of walk away.
Well, at least good that they didn't over tighten these. Now I'm gonna let you do it. Try to wiggle it. You kind of have to. It might not work, so I'll show you a trick. Okay, that's fine. Just leave it alone. Just grab. Usually the best thing is to use a rubber mallet, but we don't have one today. So just kind of
lightly tap it.
Yeah, loosen it up. See how it moves?
Yeah.
There you go. Now you can probably pull it off. Not yet? Okay, hold on. Try now. There you go. It's coming out. Take your time. There's gonna be a seal in there. That's why it's probably a little difficult. Okay, let me help you out actually. Got another idea. Carefully push it out. Nope, it doesn't work.
That's coming out.
Yeah,
It started to.
Alright, hold it for a second for me.
There it is.
Yes.
Peoples.
Let's see what brand that is. I don't even know. It doesn't seem like some regular one. Oh, GMB. That's actually a good brand. GMB. That's like
the camera.
That's like Japanese.
It's
yeah.
not
It's gonna
bright
pick up. It's gonna pick up.
there.
You
It
go.
is.
It's actually still good. So save it up.
All right.
Now we gotta prepare the surfaces and stuff.
You gotta take the belt off.
Not yet. You can leave it on
Okay.
actually, because we're gonna reuse this belt. That's a lot of stuff in there. Okay. Yeah, so it's kind of cleanup time. Make sure it's all clean. This one doesn't have a gasket, it has an O-ring actually, which is cool. Actually, I'll use this guy. This is turn it, rotate it. All right, that's just so the O-ring goes in good. Bring the fire to come.
Maybe
Yep,
two
it's
on this
gonna
side,
be
two
like
on that side.
Yeah.
You want me to hold
Yeah, go
the
ahead.
camera?
You can hold it. Let's try this way. There you go.
There it is.
Wiggle it a little so the O-ring gets seated.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. Now I'll just put the nuts first.
Sure there's no gasket on there?
Stop the video.
No, just the O-ring. No, you're good. Yeah, you can stop it, I guess, because
So they just use
Kids.
no.
a dog.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
like a kid.
What kind?
Black Lab, Shepherd mix.
Oh wow. You got a dog? You know?
No, I got nobody, bro. Yeah, I got cars though.
You got you're lonely.
Yeah, I'm lonely guy, you know, like unfortunately.
Vito.
Yeah. It's funny,
I
right?
am so Vito.
Yeah.
Lonely
Hi, guy.
Vito. I'm just a Russian.
I'm just
lonely
that
Russian.
guy that's, you know,
This
just
guy.
only into cars, has nobody else, you know, has no friends, has nobody, you know. Yeah, you got the bolt out.
Ooh.
Yeah, a little
It's like
bit.
a
See that thing?
slushy.
Yeah, there you go. Just be careful now, okay? You lift it off. Hold on a second. I'll take that pan. Bring you the pan. Just a second. You're gonna have to put it in the pan somehow. Well, let's see. No. First, just take it out. There's an O-ring. That's fine. Let me see. Yeah. So you just lift the thing.
It's all milky.
That's why we're doing it. Now, yeah, lift the filter and just put it in this carefully. There you go. That's good. Yep.
There it is. Ah.
Hey, grab the napkins over there, or the shop towels.
I got you. Put your hands up.
Thanks.
Yeah. Now.
Ooh, it smells good.
Chocolate?
You want
Yeah.
chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk all day long.
Ooh,
Yeah, clean
it
that
even
stuff.
smells like it too. Freaking coward.
I don't
But then
know.
again, by the
I
time
don't
you-
recommend doing anything with
Hey,
that guy because it's
Magic
going to be
quit?
very bad.
Travis, Magic quit, but LeBron's still on the team.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mine's either Family Guy, Rick and Morty, or
You ever watch Futurama?
I've seen one episode.
Looks like Rick and Morty is not as well, right? You know?
Second.
I can hold it.
Yeah. There's another crack there. Damn it. Ay.
Oh, better check all of them then. Oh, it's just these two.
Mm-hmm. I'm surprised it was running still, you know.
Yeah. Me taking the head off?
No, just the gasket,
Or
yeah.
gasket. Hit that side.
The gasket is actually.
Oh, it's also cracked down here.
Yep. Damn.
Yeah.
Crack right there too.
Where?
See this thing?
Oh, yeah.
It's like everywhere. That's crazy. Look at this thing, dude. Holy shit. I can't believe it, man. How? I think it's because it was probably overheated before. Because I mean, it's not possible for that thing to crack like that, man.
Freaking everywhere.
Look. Here.
Yeah.
So far that I see.
There.
Right here.
There. Down here.
Right there. Right here.
Oh, right there.
Jesus. Oh my god, man. Look at these pores, they're all clogged up too.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? Look at all this thing. What?
What the hell is going on here?
Hold on, let me grab a screwdriver. Oh, let's see. I don't know. This is a port or no? Or that's just... Is this a port? Oh, maybe not.
No.
But look at this junk.
Oh,
It's all from water, probably.
Just get me
Look at this thing
all
right there.
your cameras off.
Hold on. No. Let's see. That's probably big. The screwdriver's too big. No, that's just part of the head. It's all this junk.
Bro,
look
it's
at this.
all up
Look
in
at
there.
look at all this thing. This junk. No, it's on.
Oh.
It's just filming. God. What's that stuff?
Is it on?
Camera?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on.
Oh.
It's filming.
It's just dark.
Yeah, you're gonna, if you ever get a GoPro, you're gonna have to get used to it. God, man. No, that's just probably, that's not really clogged. That's just like a dimple in the head itself.
Bro, these people jacked this thing up.
Well, they overheated it. They probably kept driving like that. It's my only guess. And well, we'll just have to get a different head, I guess, and then just swap everything over to that other head, or get just the whole assembly maybe from the junkyard. I don't know. That's not, yeah, because it's crazy, man. Literally, it's like cracked everywhere. That's why that thing was like, had so much water in the exhaust system.
Yeah.
When you just first started. Shine the light here. Oh, no, that's good. Look at this thing. And okay, we'll have to see if there's any junkyards around.
Comment below.
Comment below, yeah, what do you guys think about this? Do you guys think what happened to this thing? Actually, did they overheat this engine, or what happened to it? Why it has so many cracks on this thing? This is aluminum head, by the way, but I've never seen the BMW crack like that. Something was probably going on. They did not really care. They overheated this thing. Probably drove like that. Let me count how many cracks again it has. Let's go from here. Two that I see. Right, there's one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And
6 cracks. There's probably more even. I don't know. Just some cracks are like can be really like micro cracks, but it's hard to see them. God.
Hey guys.
Hey.
What's up?
That's my helper, mechanic's assistant.
Yep.
So far,
Let's check the gasket.
the head gasket. The head gasket looks okay.
See if the
It's just
gasket's cracked.
see what happens when you use water. See all this
Yeah.
rust right here? That's bad.
Where's the?
That's where it was like, yeah. No, it can probably, it doesn't go through, but it just kind of, oh yeah, there you go. See?
Alright, we're at
Right there. Look at that stuff.
Look at this, guys.
This,
What you don't want to do to a damn gasket.
especially the BMW like this. Alright, that's fine. So we got this. Let's put this head down. But everything else looks great. I mean, camshafts, valves, everything else looks good on this baby. So let's do this.